Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can adjust or customize your assistive touch. As you can see, this assistive touch, you can customize it. Let me show you how you can do it. Open up your iPhone settings and then go to accessibilities. There you will find touch in physical and motors. Click on that and then you will see on the top assistive touch. Once you click on that, you will comes in this page and you can customize it by your own. So you can see over here a bunch of options over here. You can customize it like your own. Customize actions. In this you will see single touch, double touch, long press as well. You can see over here, once I do is click on this assistive touch one time, it's gonna become in home page. You can simply adjust it as well you want to do is. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.